AI is creating terrible content, and I'm going to show you how to fix it by using AI. Because in a world full of AI slop content, the biggest content hack I can give you is to cut anything that does not change behavior. Let me give you two examples, and you might find yourself in one of them if you use AI to create content, or even if you write the content yourself. A bad version can be content like this. If you truly want to succeed in life and business, you need to start embracing discomfort and step in the next version of yourself. Growth happens outside your comfort zone, and the people who achieve greatness, blah, blah, blah. Almost nothing is said with this content. It just repeats the same content and the same message itself. That's what AI does. It is really good in writing long explanations, but it does not change behavior. A better version of this post is just this. Post before you feel ready. Most coaches stay invisible because they spend more time preparing than publishing. The same message, it is just written down in two sentences. And that's the whole idea behind the AI prompt I'm about to give you. It is going to increase value per word with this prompt because no one wants to read long messages that repeat the same point. So how do you turn your content from bad to good again using AI? You can just copy paste this prompt that you see right here. The prompt can be found below this video. So you go, open the document, find the prompt in step number 2, copy, paste, and then when you have your content ready and written, you can just paste it to ChatGPT so it can create it yourself. Let me just show you what I've done for my community with coaches. I'm just going to paste this bad version and let's see what AI is going to do for me and how it's going to simplify the content. You see right now how it writes it. It's better, it's simpler, it's shorter, it's punchier, and you just do it. You no longer need to overthink the content creation, especially if you use AI yourself. Just go use this prompt to simplify the content so it actually lands and it changes behavior. Because at the end of the day, you don't create content for the sake of being a famous influencer or content creator. You, as a Muslim coach, create content for the sake of getting clients.